Today we are on the way to the Kennedy Space Center, the famous spaceport of the United States. Many people believe that Florida is just Mickey Mouse or Disney World, but that's not true. At this area there are so many interesting experiences every day. An example of this is our destination today, which is known all over the world. After about an hour's drive, we reach the entrance of Florida's gateway to the space, the area on the east coast from which the first humans made their way to the moon in 1969, and also all shuttle flights were started. Just behind the entrance on the left, you'll find the Rocket Garden, which features rockets from the Mercury, Gemini and Apollo programs, starting in 1961 when Alan B. Shepard was the first American to fly into space. There is something else that you shouldn't miss. It's the Cape Canaveral Bustour, which is included in your ticket price, and it's the only way you can get access to NASA's restricted areas. First at your tour, you will see the VAB, that's Vehicle Assembly Building. It was completed in 1965 and was used to build the large Saturn V rocket together. Later the shuttles were prepared for takeoff there. With a floor area of 218 to 157 meters and a height of 160 meters, it's one of the largest constructions in the world. Next, we stop at the Apollo Saturn V Center. Experience the thrill of space race, which the launch of Apollo 8, and watch the takeoff in the fire room. Explore the wonder of the Apollo moon landing that celebrates machines which made that possible. For example, the giant Saturn V rocket. And now we come to the absolute highlight, the Shuttle Atlantis. The first mission took place in 1985. In 25 years of service and 32 missions, the Space Shuttle traveled a total of 185 million kilometers in space. And today, the original is here in Kennedy Space Center. For every aviation fan, an unforgettable experience. A wonderful day under the sun of Florida is coming to an end, and we have to travel back to Orlando.